In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite all friends to Steam group. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to send a single group invite to your entire friends list. Or just the people you choose. Start by opening the Steam desktop app. At the top of the window, look for the Friends menu in the main menu bar. Click that to open your Friends options. This is where Steam keeps all of your social tools in one place, so you don't have to dig through different windows. With the Friends menu open, look toward the top of your Friends list for the Manage Friends List button. Click it to switch into a management view. This view is designed for bulk actions, so it's the right place to prepare a large group invite. You'll see your friends displayed in a list with checkboxes next to their names. To select people for your invite, you have two choices. If you want to include everyone, click the All button to instantly select your entire friends list. This is the fastest route when you know you want to invite everyone at once. If you'd rather be selective, manually check the boxes next to the specific friends you want to include. Take a moment here to review the list and make sure you are inviting exactly who you intend, especially if you have a large number of friends. You can always uncheck anyone you don't want to include before sending. Once your selection looks good, find the More button. Click it to expand the action menu, then choose Invite to join your group. A drop-down will appear with your Steam groups. Pick the specific group you want to grow. If you don't see the group you expected, double-check that you are a member of it and that it's set up the way you want before proceeding. After you choose the group, Steam will send the invites to everyone you selected. Your friends will get a notification and they can accept the invite to join. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.